Hi, I'll now show you step by step how to easily fold this beautiful heart out of a dollar bill in under 2 minutes. This heartfelt cash gift is a great present for birthdays, graduation, or even Christmas. So grab a dollar and lay it in front of you like this. Then simply fold the short edge onto the short edge. When folding money, always tighten all the folded edges with your fingernails so that your cash gift becomes really beautiful. Then reopen the fold and fold this short edge onto the newly created guideline in the middle of the bill. Next, simply fold this long edge onto the other long edge. If you like such simple tutorials without music and personal chatter, then please tell YouTube with a thumbs up or even leave me a nice comment. Thank you. And now we fold this short edge onto this short edge of the dollar. In the next step, we fold the top layer on this short edge upwards. So we simply place the long bottom edge onto the short left edge, creating a diagonal fold that forms the tip of the heart. Remember that you can slow down the video anytime by clicking the gear icon. Now we turn the dollar bill around like this, and to create some roundness, fold the edges into small triangles, just like I do. We'll do this with all 4 corners. Make sure to fold all 4 triangles equally sized. And then we have really easily folded a beautiful heart out of a dollar bill in under 2 minutes. Congratulations! To make it even nicer, you can press it flat overnight with a heavy book. If you are interested in more money gift ideas like this, subscribe to my channel for free. And if you would like to support me, please leave a little tip via the Super Thanks feature. Thank you, and see you soon on Folding with Yvonne.